JD, and this is Upfront and Personal. You might have heard the rule that you shouldn't try to solve factory challenges with office solutions. And although that is a very valid rule, we also need to explore how digital transformation can bring benefits to factories and industrial environments. I invited Jan Mentzer, AWS solution specialist for manufacturing, and asked him these questions. And what better time to do that than during the AWS reInvent. Upfront and Personal. What benefits do digital twins offer in manufacturing for mid-sized companies?
Well, digital twins, first of all, need to be sure, okay, what is a digital twin? Usually what when we're talking about a digital twin, is really having all the data that is currently the machines are producing, or the products that are produced on the manufacturing line. All these data points are available, plus all the data that is coming from other data silos. So digital twin is also a concept to just bring data together. But the really benefit is, especially if you're producing your own goods, hey, you have now the ability to simulate also what is happening. It's not only having a real-time insight of what is happening, but you can actually change things and redrive it on a simulation to see what would happen if I change that. And furthermore, let's see, you have produced something and you want to go back. You have an issue from customer support. You can actually look at the data, not only at some data points, and all the data points that are connected to producing this specific product, and how something might have interfered to make something not working properly. And then this makes it happen to focus on optimizing your production processes, your lines, as well as driving actually into a digital driven manufacturing process where you just do the decisions on really data points, because you have all the data available. And if you think about, especially in automotive, for example, you have a lot size of one. Okay, so every product is actually a unique product. That makes even more challenges. And we see that also with smaller companies, where you need to have really the total insight of what is happening, because otherwise it's very hard to optimize your production processes if you only have a few data points available and you cannot correlate them.
Those are great examples of what digital twins can do for us. As I always explain during workshops and keynotes, we need to stop responding to the past and instead start managing the future. But to be able to do so, we need a lot of information, we need data, we need data points. The challenge is that the correlations between all those data points are so overwhelming that a human being is simply not able to manage and analyze that all at once. And that is where digital twins and advanced technology comes in, and that is where digital transformation is going to make a difference. Jan, thank you very much for taking time during AWS reInvent. I know you're very busy and have a full schedule with customers, with partners, etc., etc. So thank you for taking your time today, and hope to see you soon on Upfront and Personal.
Thanks, it was a pleasure talking to you.
The stage has been set. All preparations are made. The challenge is accepted. Critical questions, real answers, cybersecurity, geopolitics, economy, sustainability. Question everything. Challenge the status quo and dare to see beyond the headlines. This is Upfront and Personal, with tough questions and real answers.
Dr. Ingenieur Johannes Drooghaag.